TikTok. Hey YouTube. I'm sorry I be on TikTok too. So on Martin Luther King Day, my car putted out. Stopped starting up. So since next payday, I've been on public transportation. Tell us something about living check to check. We gotta do better than that too. Where it don't matter what happened. If it's something financial, we can cover it. How y'all doing today? First start, my bad. How's everybody doing today?
This is received.
Oh, good.
This is a Blue Line train to Forest Park.
Living laughing. Let's see too. From this shot. We gonna make it. We already have. That's the new mindset.
Doors closing.
So my car's been down maybe a week. So this is what it's like riding the public transportation. Of course, there's other people here.
In the direction of travel, doors open on the left at Illinois Medical District.
And I'm on my way to work. I'm gonna give them some free promotion, y'all. Hampton Farm peanuts, salted peanuts. I used to get mellows with the yellow and white, with the red and white bag, the salted ones, but these better and give you more in the pack. For $2. Even Dollar General got the $1.25 bag. So it's pretty smooth, especially in the daytime when you're riding the L. Just the red line particularly, is kind of the worst one. You can see violence and other stuff sometimes, but that's usually at night. But it can happen, it has happened in daytime too. But today is going great. And I hope it's going to continue to. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned, I'll be giving you more videos. Today is the start of a new thing. I'm learning.